Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. In today's video, I'll be using the December 4th item in Spellbinders 2024 Crafty Advent Calendar. If you purchased the Advent Calendar and haven't looked at today's item, now's the time to pause the video. I'm about to reveal it. So we'll open up the Advent Calendar, look for number 4. It's on the left side. Looks like a skinny little box today. We'll peel back that top window. On the inside, there's a picture. It's hard to see on the video, but it has a banner and some sentiments. And when we remove the protective covering, we do have a die set. This little package is stuck in there. Spellbinders use some super sticky glue dots to hold everything in place. So I did use my tweezers to remove it. We'll open up the package, lay out all of the dies. So it includes a banner and 3 sentiments. We have happy birthday, hello friend, and thanks so much. This is perfect. I'll be using these sentiments with future cards as I open up more windows of the Advent Calendar. So let's get started on the card. I'll be using pattern paper from Pink Paislee's Joyful Notes collection. Same collection I've been using for the last 3 cards. I already have everything prepped for my card and I had it stored in Spellbinders craft stack trays. This is the medium size. I selected the sentiment, thanks so much. I cut it out from some light yellow cardstock, and using the banner, I also cut out one from some gold mirror cardstock that has a textured embossed finish on it. I'll glue the 2 pieces together. And since I am adhering it on a specialty cardstock, it takes just a little bit longer for that glue to really adhere. I'll place a large acrylic block on top for some added weight, and that'll help it lay nice and flat. For the main image on my card, I'm using one of the cut-aparts that's included in the Joyful Notes collection. It's a beautiful floral design. I'll layer it on some dark blue cardstock. For the background of my card, I have this lovely pattern that looks like a quilt. And some of those little quilt squares have a gold finish on them, so it's super shiny. Across the center of the card, I'm adding some cranberry colored cardstock. And for a little bit of shine and separation, I'll put a Love from Lizi peel off along the edge of that cardstock piece. I'm using the pinstripe style in clear with gold overlay. And since I'll be adding the image on the center of the card, I'm able to use some of the small scrap peel-off pieces. I'll wrap the ends around the back, layer this piece on the same dark blue cardstock, put ATG tape on the back, and add my card front onto a card base, leaving 1/8 of an inch of the white card base showing. Before adhering the floral image down, I'll put a scrap piece of cardstock above and below the cranberry cardstock strip. That way it stays nice and level. I'm using some dark blue cardstock since that's what's sitting next to me. But you can use any color since it won't be visible. Now I'll put glue on the back and adhere the floral image on the center of my card. I got it a little too high at first. Luckily, I was able to scooch it down just a little bit. The background pattern paper is so pretty, I almost didn't want to cover it up. But you can still see a lot of that lovely pattern along the outside of the floral piece. I also have another full sheet of it in the paper pad. Next, I'll add the sentiment banner, and I'm putting it at the very bottom of the floral image. Just put glue on the back and adhere it in place. To finish off the card, using more Love from Lizi peel-offs, this is the mini circle style. I first grabbed the gold mirror color, but that gold color was warmer than the gold on my card, so I switched it out to the gold moon dust color. I'll put 2 in the upper left-hand corner and 3 on the right side above the sentiment. So there is my finished card. I decided to keep it nice and flat. That way I won't have to pay any additional postage when I mail it. Once again, my daughter played along with me. Here's the card she made. She used the happy birthday sentiment and used silver mirror cardstock for it. Her pattern paper is from an older Spellbinders card kit, and she also added some peel-offs and some lovely silver bling. If any of the products we use are still available, I will have links in the description box below. Be sure to come back tomorrow for the December 5th reveal and a card, and I already know that my daughter has a card to share. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.